How to fix TikTok guest in issue on TikTok. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then you have to go directly to apps or applications, and here you will find all the application that you have on your phone. You will search just for TikTok. When you found TikTok, just open it like this and go directly to storage. On storage, go to the last button, clear data, then click OK, and you have to go back and click on force stop and click OK, and then you will go to Play Store and update your TikTok again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.